Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, winter time and again, cold. We all are struggling with this. So guys, it's very important that we insulate our rooms as efficiently as possible because even a slight gap could make all your efforts null and could increase your energy bills to the level you don't want to see. Now when it comes to window, it's very important to look at the corners, especially joints. So you see the cracks here? So if you put your hand here, I can feel very little amount of cold coming in. But yes, it could have a major impact. Now it's because this caulking here needs to be changed. So always keep an eye on the cracks, okay? If you do caulking here, it's gonna seal this and it's going to avoid air from coming in. Now when it comes to caulking, people get it done externally. Definitely it should be, that's how it's most effective, but internally also. And it's not just about saving your energy bills or making it heat insulation, but especially if you have an older window like this, if you caulk the corners edges, that means it is going to increase the lifespan of this one is more than 20 years old, so I have to do this. So yeah, so in order to do this, it's always good to find out a good uh, uh, caulk too. So for this I'm using this Alex Plus, and as you can see it's clearly written windows and door frames. So this is exactly specialized for this. So always, like when you're going to a hardware store, get it. So how I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use a caulk gun and I'm gonna cut an edge and I'm gonna put it uniformly around this, and then I'm gonna see you guys. So guys, as you see, it is done now. I'll just do some slight cleanup, but with this, energy efficiency is now gonna be improved at my home once it is tried. So thanks for watching this guys, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.